Hello everyone, this is Daren with Madcap Toys. I want to welcome you to part 2 of our business trip that we took this last weekend down to Edinburgh, Indiana at Exit 76 at the Antique Mall. We had a really good time. We found a whole lot of toys that I know some of you collectors are going to just die for. But we got so many of them, I'm going to have to break this into possibly a part 3, 4, and maybe 5. And that means Kathy or I are going to have to do a lot of editing on the video, but I know you're going to like it. And by the way, I want to give a shout out real quick to Droid's Cartoon Games. He just commented in our last video and said, hey guys, some of those toys that you're showing off there in those bags were from my booth. And he gave the number of his booth, guys, so you might want to check that video out to see who it is and in what booth he is in Edinburgh's Antique Mall there. But I know you're going to like them. You're going to see those toys along with several other toys that I have. Now, some of the toys that you're going to be seeing in this video, unfortunately, I've had to take and get them in bags like this because they ran totally out of boxes. And we took so many toys, they just ran out of boxes. We bought a lot of toys. And a lot of them are loose, so these kind of packages are not bad for loose toys, but we're not real thrilled when we get these kinds of things and we have to put mint box toys in it. All right. Basically, what you're looking here, we got some wrestling action figures. Okay. This one here is Roosevelt. We got several of them here. Okay,
Which one's that?
That one there is Daniel Bryant. Trying to cover that up because even though it's not relevant to the price, I don't want people thinking that's what we paid. Okay. Just tell me when. Okay, and that one is Sam Zane. Like I said, you're going to have a couple of these videos because we just cannot. This here's Roman Reigns, the mighty great one. But we just can't show all this in one video because it'd be a 45-minute video or hour and a half. Okay. And again, you guys know this is not our preferred method of packing from anyone, but we're going to give it a pass because of, you know, they was busy helping us. We had 3 people helping us pack and load the cars and all that with these items because we had so many toys that we got off of them. These prices you see are not the prices that you will be charged if you purchase them from us on eBay or Mercari, nor are the prices we paid, but they're still on there. So I'm just trying to keep it simple and easy. Okay, we also got some vintage toys, like this one here, the G.I. Joe tank. Okay, it's a later variant with the dark green and the light green camouflage workings for the European theater, as it was a NATO tank. Don't forget to smash that bell button, guys, to get noticed and notified whenever we take and we put more videos on like this. Don't forget to subscribe, and your comments, if you have one, are always interesting to us. Okay. And again, this does work. I have probably about a dozen Mobats in various shades of condition and things. This is the only one I have from the basic European theater camouflage there. All right, let's see what we got here. We got some excellent deals here. Mighty Ducks. Okay. Got some Star Wars action figures at cut rate prices. This is Luke Bespin. Return of the Jedi. Empire Strikes Back, Rebel Soldier. Okay. Another Rebel Soldier. That's for you guys that are army builders and you guys know. And here's another one. His hair is a little bit lighter blonde than the other guy. One of them's got the lighter hair than the other. Okay. You guys that follow us on Madcap Toys here on YouTube or Facebook, etc., will know that we're always grabbing these Army Builders because we do have several Army Builder collectors in our group of people. Let me do this here. Wait, you see that. Okay, here's Kenobi. It's got the lightsaber, short sheath, and the cape. Okay, here's he's in pretty good shape. FX7 action figure. Okay. Again, Army Builder guys. We got the old hog for Jabba the Hutt, the Morian Guard. We got a couple guys, old Phil. I got you a couple of those if you're interested in those. And there we go, Han Solo, Hoth outfit. Got another Imperial Hoth Snowtrooper for you Army Builders. Alright, I also got these for Kathy. I don't know if she's going to sell them or not, but right now I'm considering them pretty much Kathy's. They're her food fighters. She might want to tell you for a few seconds why she likes them so much.
Because they're rare and ever so popular. You can get them, show up more but not close. Can you get it out of the package?
I can. I'll let you come up here and take a quick 360 cameo of him if you want. Now, I may be putting, for some of these rarer guys like him, some videos on if I do place them online and Kathy decides she wants me to sell them. But if not, I'm just going to give them to her and put them in her little collection.
The reason why I like them so much, guys, is that it was, something that had come out a while back, but they were, never premiered very good. And also, too, if you pick these up somewhere, there are different variants of the different types of food, whether it's taco, burgers, you name it.
Have you seen him for a while?
The drumstick, no, not really. And there's also variants of him as well. So if you see them around, pick them up. Whether they're loose or on card. On card, you're going to be expecting to pay, if you pick it up online, anywhere from $80 to $150 or more on card. And there's a little Frenchie over there, French fry.
Some of them are way high.
Yeah.
Way high.
So, you're going to be paying a premium for. I don't know what Daren has spent on these particularly, but I do know for a fact.
I think we've got him already, so I may sell the lesser of the two.
Right, but I do know for a fact, they're pretty valuable. I have some of the loose, I think it's called the egg carton vehicle, and I have like a helicopter that has hot dogs for runners on it, but I picked those up. So, if you see these anywhere and you're getting a good deal, snag them as much as you can because they are collector items and they sell pretty fast.
They are very hard to find in any condition, let alone nice condition. All right, we also have Princess Leia, the original, with her little cape. Okay. Well, some of you guys that follow us a lot, like I said, there's some of you guys that I know you like certain figures in certain genres. I've got guys that are pretty much only Empire Strikes Back boys. Some guys are Jedis. Some guys are the original Star Wars. Now they call it the New Hope, which, it's hard for me to do it because I'm just used to Star Wars. But New Hope figures. All right, guys, here we go. I did pick up some more Buck Rogers action figures. Okay, and many of you know that I
Which
buy
one is
these.
that? Is that Buck
This
Rogers?
here's Buck.
Okay.
Yeah, and he has his gun, which a lot of times is broken off or missing. And his body is relatively tight, guys. So you'll probably be able to pick this one up at a pretty good price from us. Because we got a really good deal on a lot of these action figures. Now this guy here, another Hoth Stormtrooper, Army Builder, and he has his rifle.
Nice.
Okay, so it's the original, guys. You'll want to know that. We also did catch a few original Joes. right? And he's going to be going out there too. And I
You
got
know some of the names of some of them?
Yeah, I don't think he's got his name here. I'll have to look him up. His name's Torch. Yeah, they got it on there. I can't remember all those guys' names, but I got another one of these
Mighty Ducks.
Mighty Ducks. Yeah, put him right over there. All right. This one here, I don't like the way they got him, but he's not. You can tell they threw him around. They don't know who he is. This is Draco. Okay, but you can't see him, so he'll be posed much better, and we'll have a lot better picture than that. And I'll rebag these guys here, but what I got him for is the price was good, and he's got his cape.
Gotcha.
So that's very, very important. All right. And again, this guy I've got to put back together, but Draconian Guard, I'm going to be putting a new O-ring in there and fix him up and make him tight and as good as new. But for his price, I felt like I did pretty good on that.
Mm-hmm.
And you can't really beat that price, literally. And here you go again. Oh, Phil, you know who I'm talking to. You love these on Facebook. So this here's all for you, buddy.
Who is it?
Good Morning Guard.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm not going to say his last name. It's not the one Phil. It's Phil too.
No, I'm talking about...
Yeah, that's Good Morning Guard.
You didn't say who it was.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this here is from the Voltron. I don't remember his name. He's the little guy, and I'll look it up, and I'll have all the information on there for you guys on eBay and Hikari. And then here you go, for you guys that like to build up Cloud City and make dioramas for it. Here's another security guard or army builder. All right, Kelly, do you want me to get one more pack out, or is this good? All right, guys, thank you so much for your time and your interest. If you want to say a comment or ask us anything, or tell us which ones you have and what you're into and what you're collecting right now, feel free to tell us down in that comment below. And I want to thank you. You guys have a great and a wonderful evening. All right, bye-bye.